Hello everybody, sharing with you the new formula for Cantonese pronunciation. It will be automatic pronunciation, where the link, the hyperlink, will bring you to the translation page where you can compare the pronunciation to copy the same way of reading the word. First, as you can see that the Mandarin is here. The Mandarin is, I keep it simplified. And most of the time you will see that the writing is similar. There are some difference, but in Cantonese they use traditional Chinese. Alright, so I explain the interesting link for myself to remember. So this is what I did for my review. Equal and then hyperlink. Open single and double parentheses, and then you call the website. You say I want, the meaning is I want this website to translate from English to Cantonese, and close in this part. You close only the double parentheses. This and sign encode URL, and you call the location, which is L7, and then comma, open, close, double parentheses again, open Baidu Translate. At the end you close by the single one. Here I put it ready. We try this first. So whatever in the L7, it will come here. What if it is it has a mistake, but from there come to this side, it will be translated correctly. 苹果. All right. No, forget about that. Here we will open the speaker from here. 苹果. All right. So returning back from here, you can double click so that the remaining cells will have the link, hyperlink. Here on the right side. 能够苹果. Compared to this, 两个苹果. And this side, that is the Mandarin, and this side is Cantonese. 两个苹果. The P we have to push. 两个苹果. Okay, so I am going to put this link under the description. You can copy it, and then when you copy the formula, the whole thing, you can drag it, press the corner, and you drag. The formula will automatically change to the next one.